Namaskar. My name is Dr. Manan Gandhi and today I will give you Ayurvedic home remedies for cough. Cough is not just a symptom but a disease in itself according to Ayurveda. When a person starts coughing, there is a peculiar kind of noise which Ayurveda calls as kasa. Ayurveda understands cough is not just a pathology of the lungs, but it involves the stomach as well. When there is any obstruction to the passage of the stomach or there is any kapha in the stomach, the peristaltic movement goes in the upward direction and dislodges the cough from the lungs to cause coughing. Broadly, it can be classified into wet cough and dry cough. Wet cough is the stage wherein the mucus is still coming out from the lungs, and dry cough is the stage when the mucus has already left the lungs. Also, dry cough could be because of a pathology in the throat or an irritation in the throat, but in that case it will be very temporary. So what are the home remedies for this? Number 1. If there are children, especially use this home remedy. Take 6 tulsi leaves, make a chutney or make a paste out of this, add 4 balls of black pepper and crush them. Mix this entire combination with honey and give it to the child to lick it 2 times a day minimum. This will slowly and steadily increase the digestive capacity, will reduce the cough, and in a few days you will see a substantial marked difference in coughing. Number 2. If you have dry cough, then take haldi powder or turmeric powder, take sugar, crushed smashed sugar, and take ghee, which is clarified butter. Take all of these 3 in equal proportions together and roast it. Once roasted, this combination has to be eaten at least 3 times a day and you will find a substantial amount of relief. In case of wet cough or cough wherein there is a mucus present or that you might have to go to the basin to spit it out, in that case, take Yashti Madhu powder, also known as Jethi Madh in Gujarati and Marathi, and it is known as Mulethi in Hindi. Mix this powder with Sitopaladi Churna. Sitopaladi powder or Sitopaladi Churna is a very common Ayurvedic medicine available at any Ayurvedic store. Mix these 2 in equal quantity, add a little bit of honey and lick this. This will not only reduce the wet cough but will also soothe the entire throat and will reduce the swelling in the throat. So these 3 home remedies, if you were to do according to your age and according to the type of cough that you have, you will find substantial amount of relief in a few days. For any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to contact me on this number and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. This is Dr. Manan.